So, I just shot, I think I shot this one right here. Oh! Aha! Look at that. I'm not quite sure. Maybe I shot this one. Okay, now I'm going to the barn. Okay, so there's the cinder block that's holding the door back. Oh, hi Lucy, how are you? Oh God, that's heavy and dirty. Okay, now, here we go. Come on Lucy, let's go inside. Hold the door open for you. Ah! Okay, here's the inside of the barn. I don't live here, but you know. Okay, so I'm going to climb up that big ladder and go up to the second floor, the hay floor place. Okay, there's where they had sheeps, and I think that's dried up poop. I don't really know. Then there's the hay trough. I guess that's what they would call it. And then here's the corn place. There's the look inside. They would keep corn in there, but here's the corn. Hi, Lucy. How are you? Okay, I'm going to try to record this with one hand and climb up it with the other hand. Okay, here I am. Okay. Now, hawks normally nest up here. There's like hay. I'm still climbing. Sorry, that's a wood panel. Okay. So, there's the thing that they used to get the hay up. And let's look at Lucy. Lucy! I don't see Lucy. Okay. So, we're going to just look around. Now, the hawks or vultures or whatever disgusting thing they are sit up there and poop. I really don't want one to fly in right now because I would be scared. Oh, my God. Now, there is their hay bale thing. I really have no idea what that is. And, yeah, so this is the area that I didn't show you before, but there's stuff in there, and yeah, oh my God, I don't want there to be a hawk fly in here, because this is where they enter, and there's that up there, so I'm just going to show you the area where I am, so really out in the middle of nowhere, and then that is the drop. Charlie, hi boy! Is Lucy trapped in there? I think Lucy's trapped below. So, here are like some of the things they used. But now, I'm going to descend the ladder. Oh, looky, there's Lucy and there's Charlie. Okay, last look at all of this. And it's time for me to descend. Scary part. This will be hard. With a phone, and I don't want to die with only one hand. Dirt? That's dirt. Okay, almost down, and there's Lucy. So, there's a tour of the barn, and now it's time to leave. Okay, is Charlie in here, Lucy? Ah! Come on! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out.